Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a large selection of beautiful earrings that vary and have a lot of selection, you've got to try out the ones from Funtopia. These are an example right here. I'm going to try to show you all of them. There's over 50 pairs. I really like the earrings from Funtopia because there is such a huge variety of different types of earrings. So they're gonna go with whatever style, whatever occasion that you need them for. I also think they make really nice gifts as well. There's a nice selection of hoops, also a nice selection of little studded earrings, and then of course also big fun earrings as well. One thing I really like is that all the earrings are very lightweight. They're not heavy, so they're not going to weigh my ears down. I'm showing you them here wrapped up. I did give some as gifts, and for hygiene purposes, I did leave them wrapped. Here is a few more different selections. As you can see, there is just a huge variety of different types of earrings. So if you're looking for a large selection of cute, fun earrings, I'd highly recommend the ones from Funtopia. I love them, and that's my point of view.